Okay, so this is just going to, if you see the screen, it just means that I'm just very quickly testing the actual video for this, and I will be streaming very shortly. Okay, I think we are ready. Let's see if this actually works. So what I'm going to be doing today is I'm going to be working a bit on a Pompeii run map that I was supposed to do about a year ago, but you know, things got in the way. Okay, now you can't actually see that. So I'm watching the stream and I'm not actually seeing the game. So let's see if I can sort out why am I not seeing the game. So it's not all right. So let me I'm just gonna have to change this quickly. Window title. What is that gonna make any kind of difference? No. All right. I'm just gonna delete that. So if I go add window capture, no, not window capture. Maybe if I add, what do? We do screen capture, display capture, add. Okay, maybe that'll do it. Let's see if that'll do it. Okay, so I'm actually hearing myself speaking, so I'm gonna actually put this on mute. Okay, that seems to maybe have done the job. And if we now see Minecraft, we should, yay, okay, cool. It seems that we now have Minecraft up here. So I'm on Windows, so this is a bit odd thing for me to use. So yeah, I'm not used to Windows. Okay, cool. So Pompeii. So let's quickly pop in and have a look at Pompeii. Okay, so I need to turn the mic. You guys want me to turn the mic a bit louder? I can definitely do that. I actually think I might actually have an audio gain thing set on here. Cancel. Well, Alex, I don't normally stream, but I've now actually got an internet that allows me to actually stream. So let me push up the gain a bit. Tell me when you think it's okay. All right, how's that? How's it now? Is it a bit more? Mr. T Doodles, why should I say duck? I don't really think I should say duck. Okay, I think that should be fine. So what I'm going to be doing is, you'll have to excuse me, I'm on a completely new keyboard and a completely new operating system, so it's a bit weird. I'm going to be building a run map. At the moment, I only have these 3 tiles, but there are actually more tiles that will be coming. But I mean, you will see as I'm actually building this, I'm going to be building the mechanic that'll assemble this for me dynamically, randomly in real time. So what I do just quickly need to do is set worlds. I'm just going to have to set the world spawn to here. Okay, because this is the world spawn. I'm going to be using the structure blocks. For now, I've got these buildings actually imported where they are so that I can actually copy them. I will not be using cloning. So I won't be cloning these buildings. I'm going to be spawning them in as we do the run. Right. So yes, it's not quite Thuva X. It's not quite a random city generator. It will be okay. I'll need to explain. So there is a painting called The Fall of Pompeii. So if I TP Dragnos to 0640, okay, it's okay. Obviously, that's not where it is now. Where was it last time? I was 100. I just need to find it now. I'm not quite sure where it actually is. Oh dear, I have lost it. I have lost where it is. Okay, so I'm sure it was around here somewhere. Come on, where are you? It's a massive, massive build. Oh dear. Okay, let me quickly see if I can actually find it. Where? Okay, actually, let me just have a look. Where are we now? Right, I'm just quickly going to see if I can actually find where this where this is. So it is. Where is this? Where is this build? Okay. So I'm just quickly on another. I'm just quickly on another computer. I mean, there's nothing to look at right now. So let's just look at the sky. Look at the sun. Isn't the sun and the clouds all nice and fine and beautiful? Okay. So I need to go to minus. No, that's not the right one. Let me just quickly see. I'm an MC Edit on my Mac laptop. So I'm just quickly see if I can actually find it. But I'm sure I had the right thing here. Okay. Right, okay, here we go. So this is minus 274. So it's basically minus 200 by 200. So it's so I was almost there. So minus, let's do a minus. How the hell do I do a minus on this thing? There we go. There we go. Right. There we go. Okay, we got it. Okay, so the issue I'm having with the keyboard is that yes, I am Ondra Haladuvka. Yes, I am on Windows 10 at the moment. Okay, so let me just go. The problem is I am on Windows 10, but I am on a Spanish keyboard, which is confusing me quite a bit. Okay, so this is what the painting actually looks like. So let me just, so this is the painting frame. You'll spawn right over here. Let me just options, video settings. Let me just really push this distance up to there. We go. Right, so this is the actual painting. Right, there we go. Let me just see, is that right? Let me just see. Okay, perfect. So there we go. This is the actual, okay, so let me just quickly actual also options, video settings. Let me just turn off the clouds, clouds off. Okay. And maybe just options, video settings. Let's just make this, oh, it's very, very moody. Okay. Let me just push up the frame rates a bit more. Okay. Right, so that is the painting. So if we have a look at, let me just see if I've got a, okay, so it's Pompeii, I don't actually know what it's called, Pompeii painting Tate. Okay, let's just really have a look. So there we go. So this is the actual painting. Okay, and this is the build. So maybe if we options, video settings, maybe just do the chunks a little bit less. See, but that's giving me this. There we go. Okay, so here is the painting. Okay, and this is the Minecraft build of the painting. Okay. Hold on. So make max frames unlimited to get more frames. Limiting the frames makes. Okay. So Queen Chrysalis. Let me do that. Okay, so this is the painting that we're going to be working with. Now this is the actual, the kind of the start area. And you'll see there's a little path, and here's little Greek boats fleeing. So you'll see this is like all the little boats fleeing the actual Pompeii, Mount Vesuvius erupting. Here's the little city. Now the whole idea behind the map is that this is just the starting representation. So you're actually going to be running through this map before the actual explosion, then as it explodes, and then finally you need to escape while the lava is in the way. So there's going to be like 3 run things. Okay, so but we'll just be starting at the first one. But I mean, this is seriously impressive. I mean, this is once again was built by Blockworks. I mean, all of these things are glass and so forth. Seriously cool. Okay, so let me just teleport me to I think it's 1064 1,000. All right. Oh. Okay, so as you can see, this, as I mentioned right at the beginning of the stream, at the moment I only have 3 tiles, but there will be a lot more. And as I go along, we'll be playing with the actual structure blocks integrity to actually make this degradate it a lot more. Okay, so let me just quickly have a look. All right, so let me just really say, so you guys suggested I put my frame rates unlimited. All right, done. Not sure how that's going to impact anything. On my screen, it's very, very bright. So you'll see at the moment, I've already kind of selected this area, and this is already a 32 by 32 area, block area that I've already selected. And I'm just going to then kind of quickly do the rest. So what I'm going to be doing is, it's very, very important that I have my actual saving block at block 1515. So that's right in the center of these things. So I'm going to just grab this block. Let me just grab this block. And I'm just going to go in. So if this is 15, they are perfectly lined up. Let me just make sure they're all perfectly lined up. Yeah, I'm lazy at this stuff. Okay, so perfectly lined up. So I'm just going to go in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, so that's that. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So maybe just bring it in one more. Let me just see. Okay, so we're just going to change this to so this is Dragnos, Pompeii, corner. So this is not a corner. This is a this is not a corner. This is a line. Just call it a line, level 1, and we're going to go done. So we'll see if I need to move this block. So you'll see I do need to move the block up 1, and let's have a look. Yeah, so I can just move this block up 1. So if I just click that one, move it up 1, go done, we should see that it is now, yeah, perfectly synced. And then just have a look at this. So we're 15, 15, perfect. Okay, let me just really see what you guys are saying. All right, so if you want, all right, so VSync, right. So yeah, I mean, when it comes to frame rates and stuff like that, I never actually know what the hell's going on. So so VSync, VSync is on. All right, so VSync is on. So that should lock it. So let's just go actually look at the F3. Oh, my actual thing is, so options, video settings. Let's just make the, wait, scale. Whoa, that's way too small. That's it. Okay, that's more manageable. Okay, so we have that. Now let me just quickly go fix up this little block I broke here. Okay, and I'm just going to save this one. All right, save. And then I'm going to go in again. So this should be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So we're going to pop that down there. And let's just see if that now is okay. So we actually, where is this? So I'm not quite in there, so I need to move it up 2 blocks. 1, 2, we need to go there. Right, and that is fine. Is that right? That is perfect. Okay, so let me just quickly see what's going on here. So okay. Right, what do you think? Do I love 1.10? Yes. I have been waiting for something like this for a very, very long time. If you've ever watched any of my random generation stuff, this is pretty cool. Sorry, I'm just going to make this T-junction. T-junction. Right. This is pretty cool. So out of these, oh, I didn't actually save it. So let's just save it. Right, and save. So out of these 3 blocks, we can actually now have a lot more. So we have a corner block over here, but which can actually have 4. So it can go right in a corner. So we have 4 out of this one. This one can go horizontal and vertical. So we've got 2 out of that one. So we now have 6. And the T junction can also have 4. That way, that way, that way, and that way. So out of just these 3 blocks, we actually have 9 combinations we can have. What is missing from here is a cross junction. And I think that's the only thing that's actually missing. And then we probably will have an up and a down. And then just various buildings that it can randomly select. Okay, so... okay, so one of them says, okay, you're saying part of the roof is... Oh, I see, you're right. Ah, but this is actually a problem. No, it's not. It's not a problem. It is not a problem. So let's make this 23. Would that solve it? Okay, it's too high now. So we need to go out. It's not. Oopsie, that's not what we wanted. So we want to do that. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's probably 19. Okay, so yeah, so thank you very much, Crafter Bros, for catching that one. So let's just see. Yeah, that's it. 19. Perfect. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Okay, and then I can actually save it. Okay, save. Now the way this is now actually laid out, right, let me just see. Yeah, so somebody, what did you say? Where's the cross? I just saw somebody ask where's the cross one. So Marti Angelas Ribera, yeah, the cross one, they haven't built that yet. So I mean, we just started working on this, so I just wanted to get starting on the main kind of mechanics for this. So I'm just going to clear my inventory real quick. So I mean, for me, this is absolutely fine for now to do what I need to do and get the mechanics going. So these things are now exactly in the middle of each of these 32 by 32 by 32 blocks. Well, the X and the Z, it's straight in the middle. So that actually makes it quite easy to say that between this one over here, okay, we've got 15 blocks, okay, then we've got 15 blocks over here, so it's 30 blocks, and then we spawn the other one. Right, let me just see. Now a big reason why I do like 1.10 and the structure blocks is because if I wanted to clone this, like I used to do with all my other random builds, is then I would need, as I mentioned, this will make 9 structures or 9 tiles for me. Okay, 4 there, and 2 here. For a 10 structures. What the hell? Where do I get 9 from? My maths. Been a long day. Okay, so I would have had to actually physically have built it or have used the MC edit to actually do them and then have to clone them. Where now all I need to do is just change the rotation and the mirror value of it. Okay. So Thuva X, yes, I have lost many maps in the past. I mean, you guys don't even see half, not even a tenth of the stuff I actually do end up doing. I lose so many maps, or don't finish them at all. Okay, so let us get this started. So what we want to do is we are going to have an armor stand. Now, somewhere I think I have, I don't know, let me see. Is there a way that I can actually show you the cards? So let's just see if I add how to set block. Okay, I'm not sure if this will, I'm not sure how the cards work on this thing. Let me see. Can I actually specify which card I want you guys to see? So if you actually have a look on the side, there's a card that says how to set block and activate structure blocks. Now that is what I'm going to be doing. Okay, so I'm going to be using an armor stand that is going to move in the direction. When it gets to this point, it's going to summon or spawn in this structure, and then it's going to randomly decide to go in whatever direction it is set to go in. So it will know that when it comes over here, it can only go in that direction because I'm on the corner. Okay, so let us start the basics of that. So first thing we want to do is we want to create a builder. Now to do a builder, what we will do is we are going to go to where is it? So we are going to go to BimBimmer. Okay, so we're going to go to this website over here, mcstacker.bimbimmer.com. Okie dokie. And what we're going to do is we're going to summon an armor stand. The name is going to be builder. Oopsie. As I said, I'm on a Spanish keyboard, so my fingers don't quite know what it needs to do. For now, I'm going to keep the name so we can actually see it. And we are just going to go builder again. So as the tags, we're going to go builder. Very, very important that we're going to be using the tags a lot. It is a marker. Normally we would make it invisible, but I'm going to make it invisible, but in the code I'll change it to be invisible. I am going to say no gravity on that as well. Okay, and that really is what the armor stand is I'm going to be doing. Right, so let me just pop one over here. Let's just, where should we do one? Right over here. Oops. Oh man, these windows. What am I doing? This is wrong things I'm pasting. Okay, it's because I'm not on my Mac. So let us go back here. This is Control C, not Windows key C. Okay, right, so we're going to make a couple of changes here. We're going to make the invisible 0. Now the reason I'm setting this here is so that I remember to change it back. We are going to builder, no gravity. Yeah, that's okay, and we're just going to go always active. So that's going to be our builder. So Robin Chong, yes, structure blocks can be powered by redstone, but when you power a structure block by redstone, if you save it with redstone, it saves it to the game memory. It doesn't save it to file. The only time it saves it to file is if you actually go into the block and click on save. Okay, that's the only time. But we'll get to that. I mean, on the side of your streaming screen, there is cards. Go have a look. I put a couple of the tutorials I did on this up there for you guys to see. Thuva X, I've already answered that questions. Gamertjie Tom. Nee, ek is nie Engels nie. Ek is eintlik Afrikaans. So ek verstaan Nederlands baie goed. Nederlanders kan nie altyd my baie goed verstaan nie, maar ek kan julle baie goed verstaan, veral as julle skryf, want toe ek op skool was, het ons Nederlandse boeke gelees. Okay, does that clear that up? Okay, so what is the stream like? I've not really ever streamed to YouTube successfully before. So I mean, I've got a test running, and it seems to be fine. Maybe I'll probably just lower my own thing over here so I can see it. Yes, I speak Dutch. Well, I don't speak Dutch. I speak something called Afrikaans, which is pretty much the same as Dutch. Okay. Okay, so now we've got our little builder, which is going to build our run map for me. But I should probably actually change this name. Kill at e. Oh, wow, I'm not used to this keyboard. At e name equals builder. Okay, so right, okay. Oh, what's that sound? Okay, sorry, I'm in a new place, so I'm hearing weird sounds. Okay, so I'm gonna actually just change this name because I've actually always run into trouble when I've named something very generic. So we're gonna go dr for Dragnos. We're gonna go dash PM for Pompeii, and we're just gonna go builder. Yeah, that should be it. That should be okay. Right. Yes, I do like pizza. I like Pizza Hut's pizza. Right. So, what does Dragnos stand for? I actually get asked that quite a bit. Dragnos actually came from a very, 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 very long time ago. Okay, let me just quickly explain what's going on. I'm building a run map. For now, I only have these 3 tiles, but these 3 tiles will actually be able to create 10 tiles. Okay, 10 tiles. I will be getting a lot more tiles from Blockworks. Let me just quickly set up a teleport here so that I can easily get back to where was it that it was. Okay, so just trying to get the hang of these. Okay, let me just add P. Let me go. Where's the at P? Right, and we'll just pop on a stand there. Okay, and then let's just go. What I'm just going to do is I'm going to pop one up here. Right, I'm just actually going to grab. Oops, let me just grab this over here so I don't have to do the code again. Copy, okay, and I'm just going to pop this in here, and I'm just going to call this commands. Okay, commands. All right, perfect. So if I go over here, pop on there, game 3. Oopsie. Okay, so let's just quickly get into this. ThuvaX, no, it's not weird at all. I mean, it's whatever floats your boat. Yeah, I like armor stands. They don't interfere with anything, especially if you set it up to be actual, what the hell, you know, the thing. When you set it up to be the thing, you know, the thing, marker. As long as you set it up to be a marker, I mean, it has no impact on your world at all. Okay, so let's just quickly set block, boom, boom, boom. All right, and then we just TP at P. Man, I really need to get a new keyboard. Spanish keyboard layout is very odd. Okay, right, that's exactly what we want. So we're just gonna control all of that, grab that, and we're gonna go TP at P to at P to at E, name commands. Okay. Oh. Command. No, what did I do? Why is this not right? C equals 1. Whatever. Let's just get back to where were we? There we go. Fine. Whoa. Okay. Right. Okay, so I'll let you see what the command Alt F4 lets you see what the command block says when you're it. Okay, so that's why I didn't actually. That's why that didn't work. Okay, so Control A, Control V. All right, so now we can actually very, very easily get back to our little spot over here. Perfect. Right, so let me just go. Okay, let's just do that to see if that works. And whoop. Okay, perfect. That's exactly what we want to do. Right. Right, yo. So, how do you get to such a high frame rate with so many block faces? I'm not sure. The Willie, I'm not actually watching E4, E3. I'm not actually sure why. I don't know. It's just, yeah, it's for some reason. Yeah, I don't know. I'm not, don't know why. Okay, so what we want to do, we want to first off move this boulder in a direction. So let's just first work with this particular block. Okay, so we want to move this particular one. We want to move. So we want to. Let's just see. Let's think this through real quick. Oh, actually, not real quick. Okay, let's see if we move it right. Okay, so what we can do is first off we are going to spawn this whole contraption. Okay, so we're going to spawn this whole thing. So what we need to do is grab that block. Okay, and then let's just get that in here. Then we are going to load it. So we're going to go into the load mode for this. Okay, so -1 done. So you'll see that it will actually set it like that. Okay, that is fine. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to go over here. We're going to go block data. We're going to go, oh dear, where would this, oh dear, oh there we go, where that, okay, go -1. It's an odd place to put it, but never mind. And we are just going to have a, oh dear, there we go, empty one. And we're going to go always active, done. So you'll see we now have all of this, which is what we want. We are going to go into our web browser. We are going to go open, let's just open Pastebin. Pastebin. Let me just quickly log in to get my own Pastebins up, authorize app. Okay, and then we go new paste. Okay, we're going to paste this in here. Right, so this is what we want. So first of all, we're going to get rid of that. Okay, we're going to go set, well, I'll just leave it for that for now. What we don't need the, where is the, we don't need this. I mean, we probably will be okay in anyway. We don't, you know, we don't need to get out of it, get rid of it, but I don't know. I like to keep this nice and clean. Get rid of that. And you probably want to get rid of this as well. For now, let's keep that. Okay. Sorry, I feel it's very odd working on an actual Windows. Okay, so let us just go and far away. Okay. TP at, oh no, at e tag equals. So the keys, I'm going on touch typing because this keyboard doesn't have the same keys at the same place. So that's a bit odd. Okay, so we've just got this, oh dear, okay, oh dear, okay, that didn't work. So let's just fix this. Kill at e tag equals builder. Okay, so the mistake I made here is that I had my actual right, so we just need to change this tag to commands. Oops. Okay, commands active. Now the reason I'm using I'm referencing or using the commands as a way to actually teleport to this, is that I might actually move this at a later stage. So this actually makes this whole thing dynamic. The big start area will always be there, so that's why I've got that set there. Okay, so let's just get one of these up and up. Okay, and right, it would be amazingly very cool if we could. Let me just quickly get him over here. Okay, perfect. It would be amazing if we could actually have dynamically pull things into an actual command block. It would be fantastic, like coordinates and things like that. All right, so let us go set block. Yeah, that's okay. Set block stone. I'm just gonna go stone. Okay. So then I'm gonna pop this on here. I'm gonna go set block. Oh dear. Okay. Set block. Boom. No, this is not it. This is it. Where? Ah. Oh man. Okay, there we go. Ah. All right. So I'm gonna set the block over here, one up, just so that I know where it is. And I'm going to go, we're going to go structure block, okay, or 0 replace. Okay, and then I'm going to add the whole structure thing I had over here. Okay, so this is now the actual corner block. Okay, so I am just going to copy this block so that I have the code, and then I'm going to activate it, and then you can see, okay, so this is our first corner. Okay, okay, so just quickly gonna go to the comments. Let's just quickly scroll up a bit and see. Right, so do you play Terraria? I've played Terraria. I might play it again. Are you trying to? Okay, I'll explain to you now what I'm trying to do. I might blow this up later. All right, let's see. So now we've got this block and perfect. Oh, one important thing. If we go back to our paste bin, what we absolutely want to make sure of, and it's incredibly important, is that there is no power here. Mode load, rotation, powered. Okay, so that over here has to be 0, else this will not work. Okay, so now that we have this block, I'm going to go right over here. All of this is how it works. It's a slow process of doing this. Okay, I'm just going to break that. Okay, I'm going to pop this block down over here. All right, so when this is powered, I'm then going to go, I'm going to go in there, I'm going to go Control A. All right, I'm now going to execute at E name equals, oh man, now I'm going to have to try and remember what the heck I named this thing. dr dash pm dash builder, was it? Builder. Okay, let's just quickly have a look. Is that what I call this thing? dr dash pm dash builder. Okay, fine. Right, so we that they're called POM. All right, so the builder, we are going to go tag equals tag equals active. Right, we'll do the squiggly lines, set block, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to set the block exactly where it actually is, right on top of, right where it is. Okay, and I'm just going to go need redstone. Okay, now if I actually activate this thing, it will not work. Okay, because I have not activated that thing. So what I'm going to say is I'm just going to add another one. Let me just get rid of this first. So let me just take this away, pop it over there. Oh dear, that was not clever of me. Never mind. We'll worry about that later. Right, so we will go scoreboard or players set. No, players tag at E. Oop, man, sorry, this keyboard is horrific. At E name equals, okay, so this was dr dash pm dash builder, and we are gonna add active. Right, so if I now add this, okay, it should have added, that did not. Okay, what I do need to add is name equals, and just go C equals 1. Oh, C equals 1, I think. Right, so let's just see that it do its thing as an invalid format. Why would, okay, so we need to do builder. All right, there we go. Let's try it now. Right, and we'll see tag has been added. So now that we've added the tag, we can now do this thing. Okay, and you'll see right over there, it's actually added that now. Yes, I am not using my normal keyboard. I'm actually, so when I bought the Windows 10 PC, it came, oh, that's odd. Why did it place it there? It's supposed to place it, no, something probably wrong with the way set block works. Okay, so, well, the thing, yes, so my keyboard, so all of the special characters are not actually listed on the keyboard. So I've got weird Spanish characters I don't use has been switched out with characters I do use. So it's all touch type really. Oh, collision. No, but it shouldn't collide. See, because that armor stand is set to be a, why do I keep forgetting this thing's name now? Why the heck? Because it's set to be a marker, it shouldn't collide. Right. Also, so okay, there's this. So back to this keyboard. There's two things about this keyboard. Okay, one, it's a Spanish keyboard. Actually, three things. One, it's a Spanish keyboard. Two, I'm now on Windows 10 or on Windows. I use a Mac. Okay, so I've used Mac for the last 15 years. So you know, it's not control for like on a Mac. It's the Windows key copy, Windows key paste. Now it's Alt, so that's a bit odd. So Spanish keyboard, a Spanish keyboard, Windows keyboard, and it's a mechanical keyboard. So it's the one that when you click the buttons, it makes all these noises and stuff. I don't like that. But anyway, so it's just odd. Okay, anyway, so we're going to set this block. We set that block, and then the next thing we're going to do is we're going to take that again. Okay, right, and we are going to place it down like so. We're going to change this to chain. We're going to always active. We're going to delete all of this. Yeah, it doesn't help that I changed my keyboard's language to the one I'm used to. But now I have to do everything by touch type because the keys, the symbols and the letters on the keys don't match. All right. So now we're going to go redstone underscore block. All right. So what we've done is now we're going to go execute at E drpm blah 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 tag equals active set block, and now we're going to set block 1 up. Okay, and we set blocking a redstone block. So what now will happen is, okay, so if I activate this, so have a look. So you see the little thing in the back there. So, all right. So let us now pop them on, and now you should see this corner block appear right over there. Let's have a look. No, Yay! Okay, you see that worked. It took a bit longer than I expected. Right. Oh, I just dropped that. Oh well. Okay, so there we see. So we now actually had this thing spawning. So we now actually have the first basic mechanic of having that spawn. Now this spawns it from, I don't actually know. So from, now it's important that we actually list what this is. So this direction was positive Z to negative X. So if you have a look, it is laid out. So let's just quickly get out our little carpets here so we can actually lay out how this is. So this is this corner we just did. Okay, so we will then also have a corner that does that, and we'll have a corner that does that, and have a corner that does that. So this corner over here is a positive Z to a negative X. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to pop a couple of command blocks on here. Now I have actually made a boo-boo by deleting that one, so let's just go in here. Oh, you know what, we might as well just create a whole new one actually. Okay, so let me just go back into here. Right, so we're going to call this dr. So everything I'm going to do here, we'll do dr dash pm, so Dragnos Pompeii dash. Now this was, what did I say? Positive Z. So this is pos Z to neg X. Pos Z to neg X. So this is pos X to neg X corner. Yeah, this probably isn't going to be incredibly exciting to watch because it's a lot of technical doing things left and right and so forth. This is not a builder. This is a R&D. So this is R&D is random. So let's just do the dr dash pm dash R&D. Okay, so it's okay, all of this other stuff should still be okay. I am just going to change this invisible to 0. And let me just, I'm going to do the hide name as well, just so that I can, oh, you know, I don't actually need to. So I'm going to go invisible 0. No, I'm not going to hide the name. Okay, invisible 0. Okay, I'll have a look at the comments in 1 second. In 1 second. Just give me 1 moment. Okay. A, Control V. Oh, why did you not activate? Oh, what on earth did happen here now? What? Okay, keyboard error. So copy. Control A, Control V. Okay, there we go. And this time we should have it. Yay! Okay. Right. Okay. Right. Let's really have a look at the commands. Yes, I have tried turning my keyboard on and off. Okay. Okay. Well. Okay, so Frosty, Flytrap, the reason there's DR on the names is for Dragnos, so that I know if for whatever reason this by any chance gets pulled into another map, it won't clash with somebody else's naming conventions. Okay, so from now that's kind of how I'm doing it. So the DR stands for Dragnos, the PM stands for Pompeii, and then whatever it is I'm doing. I've learned that quite the hard way. Right. Okay, so I tried turning it on and off. Night lights. Yeah, I should probably do that. But you know what? I'm probably just going to buy a new keyboard at some stage. Yeah, probably just buy a new keyboard at some stage. Okay, now that we have that corner, okay, boom, boom, boom. We actually. So now we have this corner. We now actually know, okay, we know that this armor stand is over. Let me just see if I can get a, let me just get a more visual reference. Okay, we know that this armor stand is right over there. Okay, and there's nowhere for that armor stand to go. It can't go that way because that's not a path. It can't go that way, that's not a path. And it can't go that way because that's, well, it can go that way, so that's a path. So we now know we need to teleport it in the negative x direction. Now, because these things are exactly 15 by 15 or 32 by 32, I know that if I now go 30 blocks in this direction, or 31 blocks, I mean, we'll figure out in a moment, we should get to this situation over here. Okay, right, so let us do that. So we're now just going to add a teleport for that command block. Okay, so we're just going to add a teleport. TP at E, oh, see, at E, name equals dr dash PM dash builder. Okay, and we have our tag equals tag equals is it, did I call it active? What did I call this tag? What did I active? You see, I should actually call that add dr dash PM dash active. Okay, so I should really actually call that. So let's just do, just go back. You know, if we do this right now, it's save a lot of time. So tag equals dr dash PM dash active. Okay, so we change that now. Much better. Dr dash PM dash active. Okay. Dr dash PM dash active. Okie dokie. So TP active, and we're just gonna go boom. Sorry. Boom, boom, boom. Right, now we're gonna go in the negative X. So we're gonna go negative 30 blocks. Negative 30 blocks. 30 blocks. Okay. Okay, so that should, let me just make sure that is always active. Now, when I activate this, it will, okay, actually, what did I tag this as? So it's just random. Okay, yeah, we won't do that now. Now, when I do this, okay, I'm gonna keep that one because that's okay. Let's just quickly get rid of this. Let's quickly get rid of this. Okay, so we're gonna go. You know what? Let me do something else. Let's see if this works. So let us build a reset for the builder. So if we go execute at E tag equals, oh no, just let's go, yeah, let's do tag. Let's do tag. Tag equals Dragnos dash Pompeii dash active. Okay. Oh, you can see where the button. Okay, there we go. Fill. Boom. Oh, boom, boom, boom. So we're gonna go 15. Oh, 15. 15. Oh, 19. I'll just make it 20. 20. 15, and then we go. Okay, negative 15. Leave it where it is, and 15. And we're gonna go Right now, the reason I know these numbers is, well, I don't actually sure if this will actually even work. Let's just see. You know what? I haven't tagged it, so let's just tag it. Boom, boom. Okay, and let's see if this works. Right, did that work? So I probably need to shift it up a bit. Now, the reason I know these numbers is because, okay, I should probably do it a little bit more. That it's 3. Okay, so let's just go 16. I'll have a look at the chat in a moment. 16 and 16. So if I just take done. Okay, and I'll need to go minus 1. Okay, so this will just add us, I mean, it took a little bit of time to do, but it's going to come in a lot handy while we're testing. Okay, so in theory, what should happen now is we're going to set block a corner, that corner. We're then going to set block a redstone block on top of it, which can spawn in the corner, and this will then teleport it 15 blocks in that direction. Okay, let's have a, actually, let me just do that and go set block, okay, minus 1, okay, right, did I do that now? Yeah, right, so let's have a look at what happens. There we go. Okay, whee. Okay, right, so let's just quickly, so you saw that, yeah, right, you saw that. Okay, now, I mean, I can, if I run this again, okay, it's going to just, it's not going to be smooth, because it's actually now, you'll see it's just overridden itself. But you should see it should actually have made a nice little thing. All right, I'm just going to answer some more questions. Just have a look at what your guys are saying. Right, so so let's just go. So I have a question. All right, so what's really useful, if you want to ask me a question, is just to say Dragnos, because if you say Dragnos, it actually highlights it for me, which is pretty cool. I didn't know it will do that. Okay, so hey guys, Paradox here. Do you have any programming experience like Java and stuff? Yes, I do. I have JavaScript, HTML. I have basic. Oh, I actually have to end the stream in about 20 minutes. I'm going to have to end the stream, but I will be back. I will do another stream. Yes, I have some experience. I've been designing websites and things like that. If you can, the way you think, the way you actually think in programming is a good way. Where are you from? So my name is Jem. Where are you from? I am originally from South Africa, but I have lived all over the world, all over the place. Okay. Okay, so yeah, I've answered that question. Are pressure plates also bugged for you in 1.10? I haven't actually checked yet. I mean, I didn't seem to be bugged. Okay, then the question is, what happened to the Mac Dragnos? Okay, so I worked on the Windows 10 PE trailer. So if you've not yet seen that video, go to the Mojang website, go look at the Windows 10 PE launch trailer. I did all the redstone for that. To do the redstone for that and to film, so I did the redstone, I filmed the video, I had people come in and do the acting and stuff. To do that, I needed a Windows 10 PC. So that is why I'm on a Windows 10. I'm now at a new location where I have very good internet, and I brought the Windows PC along to this location. So that's why that's where the Mac is. And yes, I do speak a Dutch-like language. All right. The Pixel Gamer, if you want to start a YouTube channel, absolutely do it. Just make sure that your expectations aren't too much. Have fun with it. Don't try and be famous. I mean, if you want to do it to be famous, the chances of having a massive channel is so small. Okay. Okay, I think I answered that one. Right. Where am I from? Thank you, Night Lights. I really appreciate that. Okay, so do you have experience with bucket plugins? So unfortunately, Cedric, I do not. Okay, I don't like plugins and I don't like modding the game. At the moment, I'm actually using OBS to record. Okay. How long have I been been doing YouTube? I've been doing I've had a YouTube channel for since YouTube started. A long time. But for Minecraft videos, I've only been doing about 4 years now. Before then, I did cake videos, how to make and decorate cakes. Is it directional detection with a relative? Yes, that should be possible. Can I speak Dutch? What is this video that Mojang? Okay, let me just quickly show. Let me just quickly see if I can find this video. 10 launch trailer. Okay, let's quickly see if I can find this. 10. Okay, so I'm just going to see if Windows 10 Minecraft launch trailer. Okay. Okay. I'll paste it in the chat when I'm ready. Right. Who made your skin? I have no idea. My skin is so old now. I have no idea. Somebody did it for me, long time ago. I have no idea. Okay, hold on. Let's get on with this. So I am going to drop the stream very shortly. So before I do that, I do just quickly want to add one length to this. So I mean, we've done that one. Okay, so let me just build this out here so we know what we still need to do. I need to do that one. I need to do that one, and I need to do that one. We have this one. We have this one. We have that one. We have that one. We have that one, and we have that one at the moment. Okay, so they are all of the ones we need. So for each and every single one of these, we are going to need at least these 3 command blocks. I mean, we need one more, which once I do the other one, I'll show you why. Okay, so let's just get rid of these. Now I'm going to give it a bit of space. Right. Baie dankie Dutch developer. Dit beteken baie dat ek so groot impak op jou lewe het. Yes, I do speak other languages, so people don't freak out but people do kind of freak out when I do that. Okay, so I'm going to leave a bit of space. I know people like, oh, compact. I'm not a fan of compacting. I'm a fan of being able to actually see what's going on. So we are going to be doing, that one, and that one. So okay, so here are those 4. So I'm now going to do the horizontal one. Okay, so let me just copy that over here. Right, so that's another reason I'm not a fan of one commands, because I don't like I like space. Okay, I like the space that having it open provides, and I can easily change things if I want. Okay, so I'm just going to take this command real quick, and I just want to separate this from it so that I can actually easily just reuse that anytime. So what I'm now going to do is I'm going to do exactly the same. I'm going to take, let me just clear my inventory real quick. Right. I'm now going to take this command block over here. Okay, so let me just take this command block over here. That is correct. So, okay, what I'm doing, so very quickly. So I'm just working on another TateWorlds map, which deals with art. Oh, why did that happen? Okie dokie, that is not a clever place to put that then. All right, so this is not a clever place to put this block. Let me just take this block away from there. Okay. Right, so basically I'm working on another TateWorlds project, which is the Fall of Pompeii, which basically deals with this particular painting. So as you can see, this is actually a recreation of a painting in an art gallery. And the map will be a random generated run map in 3 basic stages before the actual explosion, during the explosion, and after the explosion. Okay, so this is going to be 3 types of maps. So at the moment, I'm just busy creating the randomization of it, so that once I have all of the builds in. So at the moment, the only builds I have is these 3. So when I get all the other builds, I already have the mechanics for it. Now, as you saw over here, even though it's only 3, they can be rotated to be any one of those. Okay. Right, so let's just really get back to this one over here. So we have the structure block over here. I'm going to do exactly the same. Pop that on there. Go block data, block data. Go boom, 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 -1. -1. And we are going to just make it an empty one. Oops, there goes my alarm. Okay. All right, I'm just going to snooze this alarm for now. Right, so I'm running out of time, and I'm just going to activate this. So now we're over here. We have a command. So let me just go back into here. I'm going to delete that. Okay. So once again, I'm just going to take out the coordinates that's in here. I am going to take out. That's it. I mean, nothing else really. Just want to make sure that the power is set to 0. That's it. Okay. So now I can actually start constructing. Let me just see if I've got this right. Okay, I can start constructing the new one. So I'm going to go there. Oh, oops. Did I just? Okay, that's fine. Let me just do that. So I'm going to go execute at DRPM builder tag DRPM active, execute set block. Exactly, why is that not? Anyway, set block exactly where we are. We're going to go. Did I delete that? Yep. Go structure underscore block 0. Okay. Right. So let us check. Did I actually copy that now? Okay, so this 1, 2, all right, so it'll be this one over here. Control V. Nope, I didn't copy it. This keyboard. I really need to do something with this keyboard. Control copy is just copy this. Go back in here. Control A, Control V. All right, so in theory, this should now give me a structure block. As you see, it spawned the structure block over there. Perfect. The next thing we're going to do is I'm just going to directly copy this one. I probably don't need to actually make any changes to this one. No, I don't actually. Okay. So also because we know that we are, so we are here. Let me just grab a red carpet so I can explain to you now. So because we now know that armor stand is going to be right in the center of this, we can now move it in that direction again. Okay. For 30 blocks. Okay, so I can once again just exactly copy this one as it is, because that is exactly what this command block does. Right. So now when I activate this, let me just grab a redstone block over here. Okay, when I activate this, we should now see. Okay. Now why did that do that? Right, so something gone wrong. Okay, so it's an incorrect data block. That is okay. Let us just come back here. So I'm just gonna TP at TP at tag equals equals builder. Man, this keyboard is a pain. I have to do something about that. Whoa. Okay, no, that's wrong. Okay. That's not what I had in mind. Okay, let's try that again. So TPE to to Dragnars. Okay, that's better. Right, so let us just quickly get rid of the stuff around that one. Let's really delete that. Okay, perfect. So now we can actually see. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to hang on. Let's just quickly check it. What has gone wrong here? It says that it did place it though. Set block, add PM active, set block, structure block, 0 metadata. Okay, let's just real quick see what that block. See, yeah, it gives me an empty block. What did I do wrong? Okay, so let's really I really want to actually get this sorted real quick. So let me just bring this to me. So why did that end up being empty? So while I'm thinking of this other games I play, I actually quite like playing I actually quite like playing Overwatch. That's actually pretty cool. Overwatch is probably the only thing I'm streaming on Twitch at the moment. I don't know. I don't really like streaming on Twitch. It doesn't really work for me that much. Maybe I did something wrong here. Structure block. So what am I doing wrong in this one that I didn't do on this one over here? So a lot of the stuff is like just me going, I'm not sure what the hell's going on. Why is this not working? That's most of the time what's going on when I build this stuff. That's why I don't normally stream. So set block, there's nothing there. Minecraft structure block. I don't think that's what the problem is here. Did I break something else somewhere? Replace. Let's see if maybe that's a space is fine. Mirror. C Dragnar's rotation. Maybe I have a row comma somewhere in this code. ID structure. No. All seems okay. Okay, right, so I'm not quite sure. Let's just see if I now, all V, has this now done its thing? Let's just quickly go, oh, set block. That wouldn't be it, would it? No, that wasn't be it. That wouldn't be it. Okay, that wasn't. What the hell is that? Okay, I'm just going to disable this one for now so that I can just set block this and see what... I should have disabled that one as well. Okay, let me see what that does. Okay, let's have a look. Oh, well, this worked. This worked. So whatever it is, I fixed it. Pfft. Who the hell knows why? Who knows? Who absolutely knows why these things happen? Okay. Right, so in theory, that should now be fixed. Hello, Lodvik. Welcome to the stream. I'm about to have to stop. Okay, so let us do always active. Always active. So I'm just going to do this one first. So that one does its thing. Okay, so it built that one. Then this one does its... No, again! Why? I don't understand. It just worked. You know what? It might be... I wonder if it is... Let's just see. Let's just see if it is what it might be. Let's just have a look at what the code was on this one. Block replace, mirror, power. Oh no, but it's not powered. I've got set block twice here. That, yes. author powered 0. Ah, you know what? I'm saving it. What the hell, man? Oh no, I think it's mode equals load. Okay. What the heck? Yes. Yes. I know. Shush. Shh. Okay. I am gonna have to 5 minutes and then I'm gonna have to unfortunately call it a stream for now. I will be back. I will do it again. With a guy 01. I have noticed you. Hello. Okay, so okay, let's just quickly update this. All right, and let's see if that now. Okay, if that now. Ah, man, I've broken something else now. Okay. Yeah, this is normally where I just start from scratch again. Okay, so what did I do wrong this time? I will fix this one first. Thank you, JP Gaming. I absolutely appreciate the support. It does help me carry on doing this. Okay, so what did I do wrong here now? So load, mode load. So why did you not load this time? Okay, so it says failed to execute. Ah, you know why? It is because of something stupid. Really stupid. I think it is this over here. Let's just do destroy. Okay, I think it might be something as simple as that. No, it's not. Why? Why can't you? Bloody hell. Man, this is annoying. Okay. So annoying. Ay. Okay, yeah. This is why it pretend. Don't live stream. Okay, let's try this again. And this time it better work. I mean, let's end the stream off with a good yay, this works. Okay. Let's end the stream with a good yay, this works. Go on. No! Oh dear. Okay, so why do you not want to do this? Okay, let's have a look. This is still, oh, bloody hell. See, you think I just do these things and it works. It doesn't. It takes bloody long to kind of sort out the bugs. I fight more the bugs than I fight. I mean, it's so simple. Just replicate the one from the other one and do what it needs to do. So why is this not? Okay, control. Okay, right. Why? That's not what I want to do. Okay. I'm going to go right click, copy, dear boy. Go in here, control A, control V. Make sure that it says load. Make sure it says set block. Okay. Let's try this. Come on. Oh, for fuck's sake. Oh, for G's sake. See, this time it works. Ah, man. Okay, so why are you not working? So this time it is, but it's save again. How did it do a save? Okay, so why? I'm sure it says load. Why does it have a save? You know, none, rotation, none, load. Okay. So why are you not doing this? Let's have a look. Well, now you do it. Now you decide to do it. And you... Oh dear. Something has gone horribly wrong here. Why are you on save mode? I don't understand. Don't understand why you on save mode. Okay. Okay. Yeah, but this structure block over here has a thing of 1 as well. Okay. Okay. Let's try your thing one real quick time. The structure block 1. Okay. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. Okay, so that worked. No, but it's still leaving the block behind. So why? Okay, so let's just, what is this? This is a save this. So why is it saving only that? Okay, right, so yay, okay, yay, okay, bloody hell. All right, we got it. Okay, we got it. So real quick, let us very quickly, let me just get this thing over here. Let us very quickly test this out. Okay. All right. Okay, and let's just do this. So I'm just going to delete that one. Okay. So the whole idea is that these things will now have, when it comes to the end, it will then randomize what happens next. But we're not quite there yet. What we want to do is exactly what we want to do now. I want to make sure that all of the blocks line up perfectly. So I'm going to pop this in here. Okay. That should give us, you know, that structure. What I'm just going to do is I'm going to just quickly delete whatever structure's there. Okay. And I'm then going to run this structure. Okay. Which should then give us, there we go. Okay. Yay. Right, there we go. Okay, we still have these blocks, but that's okay. That's the save, that's the save blocks, which we'll get rid of at a later stage. But there we go. I mean, I know this is like 2 hours of just doing this one little setup, but this is a start. I will actually continue with this live streams as I'm building this map. But for now, we have got this one out of the way. All right, I'm going to have to end this. I will probably be back. I will, when I live stream, I will on Twitter notify people when I am live streaming and on which platform. I most probably will only live stream like stuff like Overwatch on Twitch, and I'll probably live stream this kind of stuff on YouTube. But guys, thank you very much for joining me on the stream today. It's been absolutely great. You guys are awesome. Thanks for the support, and I will be back doing this very shortly. I will check you all later.